First cast of the day, buddy. Oh, I just got hit. Got one. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. Ah! Hey, what's up, guys? It's been a minute. I'm back with another video, and I'm actually getting ready to go meet my buddy Jimmy at a pond. And I'm not saying where actually. Hold on, let me make sure this is recording. All right. So, anyways, like I was saying, I'm back. So I've been going through a couple things with my personal life, so that's why I haven't really been posting any videos here recently. I've had some content, I just haven't posted anything. Like I said, I'm going to meet Jimmy at this pond. It's a honey hole pond. Personally, my favorite pond in Ohio to fish. I literally hooked into my biggest bass ever, and both my friends Jimmy and Austin were there. I was in the middle of them. I was throwing it was almost like a bull shad jointed swim bait, but it didn't look like a shad. It looked like almost like a yellow perch, and like I said, it was jointed, and it was just swimming. I was swimming with it, or making a swim or whatever, and man, I had a monster hook into it. Like, it literally was like 7 pounds. The problem with those though, that swim bait only had one set of treble hooks, and when he literally jumped out of the water, rattled his head, like just rattled it back and forth, and he spit my lure out. I didn't lose my lure, but I didn't lose it. I ended up losing it later on. I think it was Alum Creek below the dam, muskie pike fishing, and but yeah, anyways, I'm probably gonna try to throw one of my jointed swim baits that I have with me. I got one of the Bumblebee crankbaits from Carl's Mystery Tackle Box tied up. I think my chatterbait is on my other rod. I might throw that for a little bit. I'm sure Jimmy's gonna throw some finesse worms, some swim baits, but anyways, I'm not gonna sit here and bore you guys with stuff. I'll probably catch you guys back out there when I'm on the water. So, all right, I'll see you then.
On the GoPro.
On the GoPro. That was perfect timing. I just turned it on.
Listen, literally put laughing in here.
I feel like Tarzan walking through this shit. You taking it? I don't care if you want it. If you want to take it. If you want to take it. I got this crankbait. Shut up. First cast of the day, buddy. Yeah, you look at mine. You like that? I got snagged on them weeds behind me, buddy.
I love it. I love getting stuff in trees. That's one of my favorites. Fish is dumb.
That's more like it. I went so far over towards you. That's this bank. My best luck has always been right there where you're on that left side. I know. Shit. No, you're good, you're good. I'm so reeling in, you're good. Oh, I just got hit. Got one. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. Bro. Shit. My pole got caught on my shirt. Let's go, bro. He's nice. It's like a 2-pounder. Showing him my players. Hell yeah. Let's go, bro. Oh, for sure. Are you trying to hold this GoPro for me? Just so I can get a couple. He's a solid he's a heavy dude. But I'll put him back in the water for sure. I'm about to just release him right here. There he goes. Let's get it. Oh. Bro, remember I used to catch bags out of here? What do you got? Trash, like a red Solo cup? It's a red Solo cup full of water. That's terrible, bro. Oh, got one. Oh, don't come off, it's small. What is this? It is a largemouth. Little dinker, bro. Look at that size comparison. Oh my gosh. He literally is barely longer than the whole hand of mine. Yeah. Maybe the crankbaits are the move, or just... Got one? Is he nice? You need me to come grab him?
Oh!
Did he break off?
He got it off. But he was literally like 8 pounds. You just saw him. All I did,
Ooh, all the way out there, something just came up. Jesus, I just launched this. Is that a fish? Nah, it was algae or something. That felt like a tug. It's like, every time I hear that noise, I always just think someone has a fish. That's a bad thing about a crankbait right here. Sorry, though. Oh, I was like, what? Oh. Oh, yeah.
Came one and got one in the fucking spot.
Oh, bro. 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 Oh.
Bro, great.
Jimmy, I'm sorry, bro. Oh my God, bro. Ah! Bro, I'm hooked. I'm hooked. Get the fish, bro. Get the fish. I'm hooked. Oh, hold up. I gotta get this in the shot, bro. This is bad. Oh my God, I'm hooked. Get it up close on my thumb, bro, if you can.
Yeah, you just have to pull that, dude.
Oh, bye-bye, dude. Thank you. Oh my God, this is so bad. I'll teach you how to cut your own hook out of your hand. Take a pair of cutters with you. Cut the barb out. Oh, please don't. Oh. All right, Jimmy, you see that? I got the barb out. This is gonna hurt kind of, but it's gonna come out. And just like that, it's out. You see that? Lure's done for though. I gotta put new hooks on it. Honestly, yeah. But I literally have watched videos on it just in case for this, whenever this moment happened. It's the first time it ever happened. Back with the same little crankbait. About to catch another fish on it. It's missing a hook. This is funny. I don't even see it. Oh,